Good afternoon, public present. This time I find myself doing the hospital water pump for extraction of water from a stream or river. It's a very nice project. I put it into practice all kinds of fluid physics. I have been used the application of made by Archimedes called Archimedean screw. We are going to use this rope winder. This can be obtained at any hardware store. It's used to wind ropes, electricity wires, and it is made of rigid PVC material. We will use as the center of the wheel. We think of wood to make the wheel stripes, but it's very heavy, so opt to use PVC, which is light and easy to handle. We are going to make line of 80 centimeters and 10 centimeters to fit the line to the wheel. Follow me so that we can make the wheel together, so that we can learn step by step. The materials that we will use are the rope roll, wherever that round part has. I got it in a hardware store. Half-inch PVC tubing, quarter-inch drill bit, and half-inch screw with 2 inch long. 2 inch long is very important. Remember to leave the 80 centimeter to strip, and we are going to leave the 10 centimeter to bolt. Over here we can see the 8 stripes of this part. In over there we have the other 8 stripes of the lower part. This is the lower part. They were cut with a PVC zip. Now, if we will proceed to assemble the stripe, the idea is to drill this part, this hole in this other, and fasten with 2 bolts, the same in the PVC, 2 screws of here in other below, incidentally leaving the 80 centimeter free. In this part, we drill this part. We hold the wing and we center everything well. And we make the hole. I put the bolt, the nut, and the washer and hold firmly to every tube, always trying to be well centered. And I distribute all the 8 lines well. And drill and repeat step by step all. I arm all the spokes of the wheel tightly with the bolts and continue for every line. We tighten the screw for the last time. Very hard. The first part is ready. We now arm the second part. I put the teeth in the line, in every line, for make the round of the well. The teeth form the round. I put the screw to make the well firm. We can see finish the first part of the well. Let's go to arm the second part. We are continuing with the second part of the well, spiral well. What are we going to do? Link the spoke of the well. Follow me. we can see that we have ready the spokes of the well of the second part. Screws, lines, and we have put the teeth in every line for finish the first part of the wall. Putting the teeth in every line. And we put the screws this for firmly, for made a firmly, and we have put other line in middle of the pipe. Follow me. The teeth are 90 degrees. We strongly grip the tube to be able to deform it and make the well round. We put in the pipe and the teeth and make the round of well. As we see how the well is made, we have finished the first day of the work in the well. Follow us to see the continuations. As a summary, we have the roll that we found in the hardware store. 80 centimeter pipe, 32 balls of 1 4-inch by 2-inch long. 16 teeth to make the round of the well, and 8 parts of pipe for make the well. This part has 80 centimeters, and the other part has 89 centimeters. They are the measure of the parts of the line or spokes of the spiral water well. In the other part, we can see the next phase will be the reinforcement of the old parts, and we will put 3 parts that go through and get reinforcement to all unity of the spiral well. We will put the paddles so you can spin the well, spiral well in the water. The axle will be assembled in a metallurgical factory. And the last thing is the roll that 3-4 hose around the entire well. This is the second day of the assemble of the spiral water well. We put screws in the teeth for reinforcement this area. The screw, we can see the follow measures. The screw has 1 4-inch for 1 inch long. In putting in every teeth and all the structure. All unions have reinforcement with the screw. We proceed to put here 3 pies of pipe for reinforcement of the structure. Here we have the 24 pies of PVC to reinforce each strip of the well. The measure of them is 39 centimeters. And we proceed to drill with the screw in this part. Each part consists of three pieces. An important tip to reinforce the piece is to drill outside. Make the holes and put the screws outside. And after, put it in the spiral well. It's very easy because the PVC is very easy to handle. We will be continue put the pipes of the spiral water. We measure the line well to distribute between three pipes of PVC. Dear public, we already have two spiral well ready and reinforced. I want to mount it here so that you can observe that its well is balanced. At this point, it is at 50%. This is the first part of the video, and I will upload the second part and final. I beg you to excuse me for my English, but I had not practiced for a long time, and I do it with a great affection for the English speaking people who tell me in my videos that they would like to see them in their language. We will try to translate the best videos on the channel. Thank you and subscribe please.